Lemon and vanilla ice cream makes a sweet and sour pucker. We should call this the kissing cake. Mwah! 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 We used 4 of these little vanilla beans. Look at all those seeds in there. Vanilla is a co-star in this ice cream cake show. Mwah! Mwah! You're so cute. Oh, shucks, so are you. Jeannie and Glitzabelle found something legendary. Yeah! Now, let's skedoodle before we all get turned into gingerbread pirates. Wait, what? Nobody said anything about turning into dessert. Time to jet sugar. Add to 2 cups of milk, 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch, whisked into 3/4 cup of sugar. This is the way to mix in cornstarch and not get any lumps. Cook this until it starts steaming. Let's boogie on back down to earth. It's the compass. Here, chickadees! Here, chickadees! Then, temper it into 2 beaten eggs. Whisk it back into the top of your double boiler and bring it up to 160 degrees. Strain it through a fine mesh sieve. It makes it silkier and catches any scrambled eggs we might have made. The vanilla beans have been infusing into this cream all this time. You don't need the pods. Cover it and chill to 40 degrees. We make this part of our ice creams always the night before. If I were a magic purple peach, where would I hide? Probably not in a place that makes walking impossible. On second thought, for the crust, pulverize 12 ounces of lemon sandwich cookies, 6 tablespoons of melted and cooled butter, and the pan. Put the flat side up. It's easier to get the cake out. Line the bottom with parchment, and we tape the sides to keep it in place. Maybe we should move. Now! Oh, great googly moogly! If you wet your fingers, the crust doesn't stick to your hand. And put it in the freezer while we churn this fabulous old-fashioned vanilla bean ice cream. It'll take 15-20 minutes. Abracadabra! Nope. Bippity-boppity-boo! Nope. Spread it as flat as possible and pop it back into the freezer while we make this lemon glaze. Combine 2 egg yolks with ½ a cup of water. Freeze those whites. Put them in a plastic bag and you can use them later any way you like. Just a pinch of star powder, a splash of ghostly vanilla, and a dash of cinnamon schnapps. Oh, that's it! This is gonna be wild! Ooh, honey! And in your favorite saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a cup of sugar, no lumps. Stir on medium heat until it thickens. 3 minutes. It does nothing for like the first 2 minutes, and you're like, what the heck was Coconut talking about? Ooh, honey, you're cooking up some freaky flavors in here. We brought back the legendary cookbook straight from an alien sugar planet. Then, bam, it's thick as concrete. Pour it into a bowl to stop the cooking and add the zest of 2 whole lemons. That's about 2 tablespoons. Don't go down to the white part because it's bitter. 1/4 cup of lemon juice. That's about 1 lemon. 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Cover it up and chill before spreading it on top of your ice cream layer. Oh, this is exactly what I need. Oh, man. Time to mix up some super duper cool magic flavors. Whoa. The lemon whip topping really makes this decadent. Whisk your cornstarch and sugar together. 8 ounces of lemon juice. And stir constantly until it turns thick, about 5 minutes. It'll turn translucent, which is really cool looking. Oh, now that's a party sugar. Oh, what's this? A recipe for cosmic cotton candy clouds. Add it to your whipped cream and whisk away. Whisk to stiff peaks. This can take 10 minutes. And you can pipe it. We love piping. We went for a sunflower look because lemon brings a taste of sunshine. That's a number 366. It's a definite must in your piping tip collection. If you mess up a little, scoop it off and try again. You'll never notice it. Oh, y'all better step back, 'cause I'm about to whip up some intergalactic sweetness. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!